Hello, welcome back again. Michael Morioka here with Tritone Picks. In the last session we discussed minor pentatonic scales, all 5 positions, which took us from the root A here on the 5th fret of the E string all the way up an octave higher on the 17th fret. Okay, we're going to talk about major pentatonics this time and why the minor pentatonic is exactly the same as the major. This way you don't have to learn 5 more positions. You're already done. If you know the minors, you know the majors. Here's the key, and follow me. This is where everybody gets a little bit confused. We started in A last time, so that's our minor root. Not the major root, but the minor root. So we did this position 1, this one. That was 5-8, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, 5-8, 5-8. That's your position 1 minor root. And then remember I told you to pay very close attention or put this on the back burner about position number 2 for A minor. Position 2 for A minor happens to be position 1 for C major. Okay, stay with me here. A, C. Position 2 is A minor, and it's also C major. Okay, so you may be asking, this is where everybody gets a little confused here. Well, wait a minute, if C major is the same as A minor, that would mean A minor is the same as C major. You're exactly right. They are the same exact scale. A minor and C major are the same scale. It's a music theory formula, but to make it very easy without getting into the chord construction of that and the modes of that, here's how you do it. It's real simple. Call this your minor root, A, just like we did in session number 1. A, the second tone in that first position minor is a C. It's this interval right here. That becomes your major root. So we have A minor, C major, and you can do this anywhere on the fingerboard. Let's say you started in D. This is the note D, and I'm using that first position minor like this. Now, if this is D minor, what's its major? That happens to be an F. So D minor and F major are the exact same scale. Hopefully this will clear up some things for you and keep you from learning 10 different scales. You only have to know the 5. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. That's michaelp.morioka@gmail.com. Till next time.